this, he said to me, the greatest thing you could ever learn is just